Now let's talk about bullets and numbering. For the bullet, the shortcut is Shift Control or Shift Command L. If I press again, nothing happened. And as you know, it is applying based on your paragraph. If I click here and press enter or return, we'll make new. And note that Shift enter or Shift return for making soft return is not gonna apply for bullets and numbering. And this is weird because if you run the macros like all time I mentioned you and bring the commands, and if search for bullet, there is no result for bullet shortcuts. But as I mentioned, the shortcut is Shift Control or Shift Command L. Would you like to find easier? I could sort this table. As I mentioned before, it is very simple. Click, sort based on the key, text, ascending or descending, doesn't matter. Okay. And now I have this sorted based on the keys, and you could find something like L. And here it is written, the shortcut is for style. That's weird, right? Anyway, I select them all and I could add the bullets. Note that you could define bullets by simply autocorrection. I will talk about autocorrection in deep in the future videos, but for now, you could use some characters like asterisk, space, and you see autocorrect automatically enabled, and you have now the bullets. Or you could use dash space. Anyway, let's create a text equal rand, let's say 10 and 1 because I want to have smaller text. So bullets, I could open the bullet list. This is recently used bullets. You could set none to remove that. Select from the bullet library. Change the list level. Of course, you know, we could have multiple levels, which it is gonna work based on indentation. If I select, for instance, this 3 lines and add indentation, that's gonna automatically make sub-level or decrease it. And note that if I click here and press tab from my keyboard, also that's gonna make the sub-leveling. Note that by selecting multiple line and pressing tab from your keyboards, also you could make multiple sub-levels. Let me bring back. Also here and here. And you could go to the bullets, define new bullet. Click on that. You could make your bullets character based on symbols, based on font, or even based on picture. Symbols, you could find any symbol you want, pick any font you like, and recently here, let's say something different, for instance, this sign, okay. We have also alignment, where do you want to set in the space between center, right, or left. And I could change even the font based on that. This is the symbol font. I could make it bold. Let's say larger. Even I could give underline, red color, even change the own bullet color, maybe blue. You see the final result. Okay and okay. There it is. Also, I could go to the define new bullet and choose picture. Note that for picture, you could use online or offline. Currently, I don't have access to internet. I don't know why. Anyway, work offline. And note that several file formats such as TIFF, BMP, PNG, JPEG are supported. Let me find a picture. For example, this one, the logo. Okay. You see? We have here. You cannot make the image larger here, but we could use a trick here. Although it is image, but as you see, it is applied to font too. Note that we cannot define the size because this is picture and not image, and the font is disabled. But I could double click to enable bullets. You see? Now I could change the size. There is no selection for underline here, and note that because it is bullet, even if I go to the font settings, although you will see the underline, but it is grayed out and you cannot change. We have only the size, so the only way to remove underline or define different style is first set your font, then choose your picture. This is one of the minor bugs of Microsoft Word, which they didn't fix yet. Even if I select and press Ctrl or Command U, that's not gonna work. In the next video, I will talk about numbering.